Have you ever heard the theory that humanity once shrank to fewer than a few thousand individuals? A whole species ours reduced to a number smaller than a modern high school. It sounds impossible, dramatic, maybe even a little frightening, but it might be one of the most important moments in our entire evolutionary story. Picture this. Around 70,000 years ago, our ancestors are scattered across Africa. Life is tough, but manageable until something changes. Climate chaos, mass droughts, shifting ecosystems. Whatever the cause, the result was brutal. Most human groups vanished from the record. Whole lineages disappeared silently, leaving no trace except a genetic whisper. Because here's the strange part. When scientists study our DNA today, they keep finding the same clue, a bottleneck, so tight that it looks like humanity was squeezed through the eye of a needle. We almost didn't make it. But here's where the story gets fascinating. Instead of collapsing, that tiny population didn't just survive. It transformed. Suddenly, we see an explosion in creativity and cooperation. Sharpened tools, precise hunting strategies, shell beads and pigments, long-distance alliances. It's as if being pushed to the brink forced our ancestors to evolve, not just physically, but socially and mentally. Some researchers think this near-extinction event supercharged our capacity for imagination and fun, problem-solving. Because when your world is shrinking, every idea becomes precious. Every risk matters. Every relationship could mean the difference between life and death. And maybe this is the part that hits hardest. We didn't survive because we were the strongest or the fastest. We survived because we learned how to depend on each other more deeply than ever before. Small groups pooled knowledge, shared resources, protected the vulnerable. Cooperation stopped being optional. It became our superpower. The humans who made it through that bottleneck carried something with them. Not just genes, but a mindset. A sense that the world is fragile, uncertain, unpredictable, and that our best chance has always been to face it together. So the next time you wonder why humans are so social, so creative, so obsessed with communicating, remember this chapter of our story. The chapter where we nearly disappeared, and in doing so, discovered what truly makes us human. Because sometimes evolution doesn't happen in triumph. Sometimes it happens in the moments we almost lose everything and decide, against all odds, to keep going.